Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really easy hummus with some vegetable sticks. For the hummus you will need olive oil, a lemon, garlic, chickpeas and tahini. For the veg sticks I'm going to use a cucumber and some carrots, but you could use any veg you wanted, so celery, peppers, anything at all. You will also need a sharp knife to cut the veg, a vegetable peeler and a food processor. The food processor isn't essential. If you don't have one, you can use just a bowl and a potato masher and really mash it up to make a nice hummus. I've just started by washing and peeling my veg, and then I'm going to pat it dry with a bit of kitchen roll. Once your veg is all washed and peeled and dried, you're going to take a sharp knife and then start cutting it into the pieces the size that you want for dipping into your hummus. Being really careful with the knife not to nick your fingers. Once you've chopped up your veg, just place it in a bowl, and then I'm going to put mine in the fridge to keep cold, but you don't have to do this. So now to start on the hummus, you'll need 400 grams, which is a whole can of chickpeas that you're going to drain and then place into your food processor. Along with your chickpeas, you're going to want a good squeeze of lemon juice, just straight into the food processor. If you see any seeds that you've dropped in, you can just pick them out. Also in your food processor you'll want 1 clove of garlic. You're just going to take out of the bulb and peel. And then because it's all going to be blended up, you can put that straight in there whole, or if you want you can chop it up, but there really isn't any need. Next you need to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then 1 tablespoon of tahini. Now not everybody will have tahini in their cupboards, and that's completely fine because you don't actually need it to make the hummus. You'll still have a really lovely hummus if you just don't include the tahini. Lastly, you just want a pinch of salt, and then you're done and it's good to blend. Once everything is in the food processor, you can just switch it on and give it all a really good blitz. You might need to scrape down the sides a couple of times with a spatula just to make sure everything is really nicely incorporated. After a couple of minutes of blitzing, you should be left with a really nice, smooth hummus ready to dip your vegetable sticks into. Thanks for watching. Hope you try and make the hummus and really enjoy it.